Hello my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Inalingana na kwenye uko. Here comes Queen Fix It 254. I'm a queen of Fix It Gossip Club. Welcome to my channel, and if it's your first time to be here, naomba upige subscribe faster manzi. Yeah, cause of course you know I can't make it without you. So after Truphena Muthoni alivunja rekodi ya kuhug mti for 72 hours, and of course we all know that girl alijaribu kabisa na aliweza kuvunja record. Alimaliza masaa 72 bila kukula, bila kukunia, bila kulala, akiwa tu anaangalia tu hivyo 72 hours, na akamaliza kuhug mti kwa masaa 72. And we congratulated her. Of course, it was a big fight where she won and won. I'm saying this because, of course, after she finished, she completed the 72 hours of hugging tree. Alipata a lot of deals. In fact, her life changed. Alafu sasa, there is this man here who is called Pastor Jimmy, ambaye aliamua kumchallenge Truphena Muthoni. Akasema yeye anataka kuhug mti for 80 hours, pale ambapo alitaka kumshinda Truphena Muthoni with 8 hours. Yeah. So alitaka kuhug mti for 80 hours na akaanza vizuri. In fact, he started on Monday, and wakati aliuliza alisema he is creating cancer awareness. Yeah. And of course, he started it on Monday 5 p.m. Was it p.m. or a.m.? I don't remember very well, but he was to complete today on Thursday at 5 a.m. Alikuwa maliza 8 hours leo asubuhi 5 a.m. But by bad luck, wakati amefika 79th hour, yani wakati amehug mti akafika masaa 79, 79 hours, akiwa amebakisha just 1 hour. Can you imagine? Just 1 hour a complete mission yake, ama vunje record ya 8 hours. Juu alikuwa anataka kuhug 8 hours. Sikiza, alikuwa anataka kuhug mti for 8 hours. So amehug akafika 79 hours. Akiwa amebakisha 1 hour afike 80, too bad manze, amecollapse, ameanguka na ikabidi akimbizwe hospitali. We are so very sorry to this nigga, by the way, but amejaribu. Hugging a tree for 79 hours is not a joke, without sitting, without eating, without doing anything. It was just hakuni, yani hakuwa naenda kupupu. Too bad. 79. Imagine alikuwa amebakisha 1 hour afike 80. But anyway, congratulations to Pastor Jimmy, and we are wishing him a quick recovery. Amekimbizwa hospitali, and we are hoping that he gonna be okay. So for more news, make sure that you keep following me. Yeah, that's it. Keep following me. Bye bye. Make sure you subscribe.